So hello guys, well in this video I'm going to show you how to create an app in MIT APP Inventor 2 in order to control the Photon Spark, this little monster that you're able to see in there. Oh, sorry. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to show you in 3 different videos how to create the app, how to create the block section, which basically is the back end of the app. In this we're going to see the front end, which basically are the buttons and everything that you're able to see in every app that you use. And finally, the final video is going to show you how to create and what to put on the code for the Photon Spark. Anyway, so let's get started. If you want to know how to use exactly the MIT APP Inventor, maybe you want to check, I don't know, videos, tutorials. There are plenty of them on YouTube. So in here we're going to focus on how to use it in order to control the Photon Spark. So first thing first, we need the web connectivity component. This is the most important component that we're going to use in our application. As you're able to see when you drag it, you didn't see anything on the screen, but you're able to see here in the non-visible components. So with that we're able to know that we have it in our application. Then we are going to create a layout. This is a general arrangement. Basically you can put anything that you want in here, but this is an application that we're going to use it in order to control a LED that is going to be connected in I don't know, in the pin D7 of the Photon Spark. So we're going to put 3 columns and 6 rows. The height we're going to select fill parent, the width as well. Then we're going to go to the user interface palette. We're going to drag 2 different buttons, 1, 2, one label in here, a second label in here, maybe a slider, maybe good. For the text button, first of all we're going to rename the component. This is not necessary, but I believe this is a best practice, because when you are creating the backend of the application, you are going to be selecting which component you want to use the information on which component is going to activate a specific part of the code or whatever. So it is important for you to know which button is which. So that's why I always rename all the components on my application. So that's it. Finally, this one I'm going to put LVL. LVL, VTN are just the short name for what component I am using, because it's easier for me to know what it's which component. Label, intensity, LED, slider, SLD, intensity. So I don't know, maybe that's all for the front end. Oh no, sorry about that, I forgot about this. In order to change what it is on the front end, all the properties are here in the properties column. So first of all, here in text you're able to change what there is on text. So I'm going to put status, yeah, that's it. Text for button, I'm going to put LED. In here on LED, here intensity, PCT. I'm using PCT as the short name for percentage, because what we're going to do is that this slider is going to go from 0 to 100. But the application, as you know, for an analog output, you can go from 0 to 255. So you can do the conversion in here or in the on the code for the Photon, and at the end you're going to have the same result. Anyway, what else? So basically that's it. That is all the application. That is all the components that we're going to use for our application. And on the next video, we're going to use this block section in order to control all the things that our application is going to do. So don't forget to see the next video. Hope you like it. I mean, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to put it on the comment section below. And I believe that's it. See you in the next video on how to control all the components on this screen. See you, Yoda. What you have to say about our application of today? So see you. Bye bye.